officer here on, I think it's Officer Kelsey.
Yes, go ahead, Judge.
Call you first, because I'm just gonna do a case on her, okay?
Okay.
Now calling the matter of the people versus Sadie Watson. This is ticket number 358586, one count of operating marijuana facility without a license. This is the date and time set for a bench trial in this matter. Ms. Watson has not appeared. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel, please.
Morning, Judge Daniel Arm for Ms. Watkins.
Thank you. And Officer Kelsey, can you please state your name for the record?
Detroit Police Officer Lamar Kelsey.
This is the date time stated as I stated for a bench trial. It's now 10:01. Ms. Watson has not appeared, so the court is going to issue a bench warrant in this matter. We're going to set her bond at $0 personal, but she has failed to appear for her trial. Thank you so much, Officer Kelsey. Be safe out there, okay?
Thank you. Appreciate it, Judge.
All right, no problem. Have a good day. And I'm going to call out Miss Jennifer. You want to open it now? Let me get some people. I'm close all the way. I get everybody out. All right. I'm right into it. He's already doing good. All right. We need to do it for that one. All right, I'm bringing everybody back into the room. You can go ahead, open the court for me.
The 36th District Court in the state of Michigan is now in session. The Honorable Judge Marlena Taylor is now presiding. At this time, there will be no talking, no smoking, no chewing gum, no no eating or drinking, no sleeping or laying down, no driving or riding in a motor vehicle. Please keep your device on mute until you are addressed by staff. Also, keep your device on a surface level so that your face may be seen. Good morning, Your Honor.
Good morning. Thank you so much. Ms. Jennifer Cepeda Rodriguez.
Can you hear me?
I can, just be still for me, okay?
Okay.
Now calling the matter of the people versus Jennifer Cepeda Rodriguez. This is U ticket 611-27921. This is one count of disorderly conduct. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel, please.
Morning, Judge Daniel Arm on behalf of Ms. Rodriguez.
And Ms. Rodriguez, can you state your name for the record, please?
Jennifer Marie Zepeda Rodriguez.
All right. This is the date time set for a bench trial in this matter, 10:04 a.m. How do you wish to proceed, Attorney Arm?
Judge, is the officer present?
No, he is not, or she.
We have to look at the official in that case, but
All right. At this time, having no officer appear for this particular matter, the court is going to dismiss it without prejudice. What that means, Ms. Cepeda Rodriguez, is that they can refile this matter if they would like to, but as of today, you're all set, okay?
Okay, I appreciate you guys' help.
You're very welcome. You have a good day, okay, ma'am?
You too. Take care.
I will, thank you.
Bye.
Bye-bye. Ms. Candace White?
I'm talking about dismiss off a traffic ticket. Okay, pretty.
Yes.
All right, now. Gonna call your matter officer or Corporal Hope. Okay, I see him. Okay. Now calling the matter of the people versus Candace White. This is case number SP 1282408, count 1, allowing an unlicensed driver to drive. Count 2, no insurance misdemeanor. This is the date time set for a bench trial. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel, please.
Daniel Arm for Ms. White.
And Ms. White, can you state your name for the record, please?
Candace White.
I also have Corporal Hope. Can you state your name for the record, please?
Corporal Kenneth Hope, badge 444, Detroit Police, 12th Precinct Station.
Thank you. How are we proceeding with this matter today?
Judge, I was speaking to the corporal beforehand, and he was supposed to get back to me what the prosecutor says about trying to work this deal out, and I didn't get a response yet.
Okay, all right. The court will recall this matter in a moment then. Ms. White, hold tight.
Okay, go back on mute.
Yes, go back on mute, ma'am.
Okay, thank you.
You're welcome. Lachey Watkins?
Yes.
All right. And Ms. Attorney, Officer Roberts?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now calling the matter of the people versus Lachey Watkins. This is.
It's
you
Leisha
ticket
Watkins.
Leisha Watkins, okay. This is you ticket 594-35621. This is one count of false information to police officer. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel, please.
Daniel Arm for Miss Watkins.
And Ms. Watkins, can you state your name for the record, please?
Leisha Watkins.
And officer, can you state your name for the record, please?
Officer Jalen Roberts.
This is a date and time set for a bench trial. How are we proceeding in this matter?
Judge, my client indicated to me she's prepared to plead no contest to this charge. She does not have sufficient recall.
Is that right, Ms. Watkins?
Yes.
All right, if so, can you please raise your right hand? Do you swear or affirm to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth, ma'am?
Yes.
You can put your hand down. Ms. Watkins, did you have an opportunity to talk to an attorney in private today about your case and about your rights?
Yes.
And he's informing me that you want to take a no contest plea. Is that correct, ma'am?
Yes.
Did anyone flee in exchange for this no contest plea?
No.
Are you pleading guilty? No, are you pleading no contest of your own choice?
Yes.
And do you understand that by taking this no contest plea, that you're going to give up certain rights you have? You have the right to have a trial, bench, or jury. But by taking this no contest plea, you're going to give that up. You understand that?
Yes.
And do you also understand that this no contest plea will be treated like a guilty plea for all purposes? You just won't be making any statements on the record. Do you understand that, ma'am?
I'm sorry, I can't hear you.
I said the no contest plea is going to be treated as a guilty. However, you just won't be making any statements on the record. You understand that, ma'am?
Yes.
Okay. I want to take your attention, reading from the complaint ticket. Is that okay, Attorney Arm?
That's fine, Judge.
All right, reading from the complaint ticket that on the date of November the 1st of 2021, in the area of 11360 Wyoming, Ms. Watkins did give false information to a police officer. Satisfied?
Satisfied.
All right, the court is satisfied as well and will accept the plea to one count false information to a police officer. Ms. Watkins, this is under what's called a 12-month delayed sentence, okay? What that means is as long as you get no.
I can't hear you. I can't hear you. I can't hear you. I'm sorry.
Okay. This is
Hello?
under a 12-month delayed sentence, okay?
Okay.
What that means is that as long as you get no new ticket in 12 months, this matter will be dismissed. There are certain terms and conditions you must follow though, okay?
Yes.
All right. They are requiring that you do 20 hours of community service, okay?
Yes.
And I'm requiring that you pay a $300 fine. You have 12 months to pay it. You have 12 months to do the 20 hours of community service. As long as you've completed all of that, by the time 12 months rolls around, so by the time of June 7th of 2023, this matter will be dismissed. You understand that?
Yes.
Okay, all right. So that's the order of this court, that by June 7th of 2023, you have to complete 20 hours of community service and pay a $300 fine. Okay, ma'am?
Yes.
No new tickets, This case gets dismissed, okay?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, they do send you out a letter, don't they? Yes. All right, there'll be a review letter sent out to you, because I know that's a little ways away, letting you know that you, need to complete those tasks. I mean, that you need to come back to court by that time, okay?
How do I find out about my community service?
I'm just gonna say, I have a number for you. Can you get a sheet of paper so you can write it down?
Yes.
You ready, Miss Watkins?
Hold on, I'm trying to find a pen.
Okay, ma'am, just let me know when you're ready, okay?
Ready?
Okay, the number is 313
Uh-huh.
965 8130.
Okay.
Okay, call
Yeah.
that woman, that's Miss Green, and she'll be able to get you some community service and make sure it's legit, okay?
You say Miss Green?
That's her name, Miss Green. That's who I'm directing you to call. That's her phone number, okay?
Okay.
Okay, if there's nothing further, that does conclude this hearing. Thank you.
Thank you so much.
Thank you very much. I appreciate it, okay?
Okay.
All right. You're all set, ma'am.
Thank you.
You're welcome. All right, Ms. Wells?
Yes.
Now calling the matter of the people versus Lorna Wells. This is ticket number P1231131. This is one count disregard officer signal. This is a date and time set for a pre-trial for this matter. It is scheduled for a jury trial next week. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel, please.
And Judge Daniel Arnold for behalf of Ms. Wells.
And Ms. Wells, can you state your name for the record?
I'm Lorna Wells.
All right, Ms. Wells, this is a date and time set for a pre-trial, final pre-trial in this matter to see if we're moving forward with the jury trial scheduled for next week. Attorney Arm, did you have an opportunity to speak with Ms. Wells to find out?
I did, Judge, and she does indeed want to have that jury trial.
Okay, so Ms. Wells, this matter is going to be in person at 36th District Court. You are to report to the first floor jury room at 1. You have to be here by 1:30 p.m. Okay, so I advise that you get here a little bit earlier.
Okay. You said the first floor jewelry room, or what did you say?
Yes, first floor jury room at 36th District Court.
Okay,
Okay,
yes.
this matter is scheduled for in person. At that point in time, counsel will be provided. And hopefully we'll be able to handle the entire thing, picking the jurors. And I don't know that it's more than one officer to testify, having the officer's testimony at that point in time, letting the jurors deliberate. So we will have that matter at 1:30 on the first floor in this building.
Okay.
On the 14th, I think it's scheduled for, am I
Yes.
correct?
Yes.
The 14th, June 14th. Okay. All right, do you have any questions, Ms. Wells?
No,
Okay, all right, if there is no questions, that does conclude this hearing. We'll see you next week in person at 36th District Court, okay?
okay, thank you. See you then.
You're very welcome. Have a good day.
Thank you, you too.
All right, bye-bye.
Bye.
We still don't have anybody reach out to Marlena. Down. All right, we do have one more person, Mr. Arm, besides Ms. White. It's Mr. Jonathan Welsh, but he's not responding. I don't know what's going on. So if he at some point in time responds, then we can put him into a room where we get some information.
Hello?
Hello. Well, welcome, Mr. Welsh.
Oh, hey.
I know, he doesn't realize it's court. I know, sometimes it can be different when you're not physically in the building and you don't realize that you need to be we need an offer for him though. He's an arraignment on a bench warrant. And so he has, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 8 tickets minimally that we need to get an offer for. So I'm trying to get the council to come in here to talk to you, Mr. Arm, about his case as well as about Ms. White's case.
Okay, thank you.
All right. In the interim, I have to go do one docket real quick, so I'll be right back. I'll be right back, okay?
Okay.
All right.
Hello?
Yes, this is Mr. Welsh.
Yes.
Yeah, we're just waiting. Nothing new. I gotta get an
Uh,
offer for you. Yeah, I haven't heard from the prosecutor yet.
oh, okay. Am I speaking to the judge?
Nope, you're speaking to the attorney.
Oh, okay. So, am I in the right direction? Because this is the first time I'm understanding this Zoom thing.
You're in the right direction.
Okay, so I have an appointment at 1:30.
We don't-
Is it?
Sir, you have to zoom back in at 1:30. We're still doing the morning docket. You for our afternoon docket.
No, he's on the
Oh,
morning.
so I'm sorry.
Are you scheduled for 1:30?
No, he's a
Yes.
9:30 guy, 8:30 guy. We just need an offer.
Wait a minute. What's your name, sir?
Name is Michael Everett Wills.
Tell me something else, okay.
Yes, sir. You scheduled for 1:30. So zoom back in the same way you did at 1:30. We're still doing the
Okay.
morning docket.
Oh, okay.
All right.
Okay. Thank you so much.
You're welcome.
Mm-hmm.
Attorney Earl, I just sent you over the offer for Mr. Welsh.
Okay, thank you.
He's in breakout room 5.
Okay.
We supposed to be in breakout. Mr. Welsh,
Yes.
you need to join breakout. Mr. Welsh, activate your camera. Are you sleeping?
No.
Because we have been calling your name for the past 20 minutes and we have had no response.
Yeah, I probably like passed out, went to sleep for a little bit or something.
Mr. Welsh, join breakout room 5, please.
How do I do that?
It should be on your device. You were sleeping, so you probably didn't see it.
No, I don't see it.
You don't see anything on your device that says join?
No. No, I don't see anything.
Do you see anything now?
No.
I don't have anything either.
Mr. Attorney Aaron, you should be able to just go into the breakout room. Attorney Aaron, have you spoken with Candace White?
Kevin White? No.
Candace White.
Oh, yeah. I spoke to her, but we're waiting for the offer. I was supposed to speak to the prosecutor.
The prosecutor's here. Do you need to speak with John Gillis, Mr. John Gillis? He's here.
Okay.
Which one was this on? Is this on Mr. Welch?
This White. Attorney Aaron.
Yes.
Attorney Gillis, the city prosecutor's here. You need to speak with him.
Okay, so about Candace White, officer said that her son was driving and she got the ticket for allowing, but she said she never allowed him to drive.
Okay, how about then instead, would she agree that the vehicle is uninsured and we could amend that to an improper plates and then we dismiss the allowing?
She actually says it was insured. I said, show it to me. She says her Her video is not working.
I can see her right
I
now.
have it. I have it working now, and I have my proof of insurance.
Okay, can you hold that just a little bit closer to the screen, ma'am?
This was for the time that I got the ticket. I had to renew this month, so I have the renewal one on my phone.
Okay, and if you can hold that just a little bit to your right, there we go, perfect, right there.
Because I had just got my insurance like 5 days before the ticket was read.
Okay, Miss White, thank you for the insurance.
Here go my license.
Well, that, I think it's just, is it just the 2 tickets?
Yes.
That's what I see. Docket. Yeah, I think it's just for insurance and allowing unlicensed driver to drive. Let me speak to, so we'll dismiss the insurance for valid documentation. I see Corporal Hope's here, so let me speak to Corporal Hope for a moment and we'll talk about the allowing.
It says join room 2. Should I join?
Hold on 1 second, Ms. White. Not yet.
Okay.
Possible going to breakout room with Corporal Hope.
Yeah, thank you. He's already in breakout room 6.
Room 6, okay,
Yeah,
awesome.
yeah.
Thank you.
1 second, Ms. White.
Okay.
Hello? I was in breakout room 8 and nobody's there.
Sir, just hold on a moment.
Okay.
Yeah. So, actually,
Can I get a breakout room with Mr. Welsh? Oh, here it is. Mr. Welsh,
Yeah.
that's you, Mr. Welsh?
Yeah, let's say breakout room 8.
Yeah, you know what room you're in?
Yeah, I'm finna go in now.
What room is it, do you know?
Yeah, room 8.
8?
Yeah.
Okay.
yeah. No. Okay. Okay. And so, what do I need to do? Oh, okay. She already put it in low. Oh, okay. So I don't do that. Okay, we got go ahead. And go down. Yes. What is it? Yeah. No. No, okay. No. Okay, thank you. Bye. You too. Bye.
We ready, attorney? Ready, Mr. Arm?
Yes, I'm ready on Welsh.
Okay. Not ready on white yet? Oh, no.
They didn't get back to me yet.
Attorney Iron,
Yes,
I sent over the revised offer for Ms. Wright.
the candidate's right. Okay, I'll take a look at it. Okay, I could either do Welsh or speak to Miss White.
Bless you. Thank you. I have, I'm gonna let you speak to Ms. White. Open up the room. Ms. White, I need you to go back to room number 2 if you can. Is it asking you to rejoin that room? If not, I'm gonna just
So should I speak to the prosecutor again about Candace White?
I'll have to text him again because he left the courtroom.
Okay.
I'm gonna do Mr. Welsh, get him out of here. I don't know if you want to get, I don't know if you want to talk to him Friday, you can ask him.
Okay, sorry.
How you doing?
I'm good. How you doing? Morning, Attorney Arm. Good morning, sir.
Good morning.
I wasn't sure, did you just have a quick question or did we need to step into a breakout room?
Just a quick question. She's saying that her insurance was good as of 12/3/21 and the ticket was 12/8/21.
When Corporal Hope placed the information into the law information or the law enforcement information network, it showed that it was not valid. So I don't know if she didn't pay the policy or, you know, what the confusion was on her end, but it was not. I mean, I know she showed it to us and it appeared valid, but when I stepped in the breakout room with Corporal Hope, he assured me that he ran it and it was not valid.
Okay, at this point, she wants a trial, but I will talk to her again.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you. With Candace,
She didn't want to. We tried both.
we have another breakout room with Candace White.
She's in room number 2.
Thank you.
You can stay in here, Mr. Welch. I was calling, trying to get you out. Just stay in the main room, and as soon as the attorney comes back, I'll handle your matter.
Oh, okay.
All right, Mr. Welsh?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah. Madam Court Reporter, are you ready?
I am ready, Judge.
Okay, thank you. Okay. Now calling the matter of the people versus Jonathan Welch. These matters are here on the docket today for arraignment on the bench warrant. This is case number 204552182. Open alcohol in a motor vehicle driver. Ticket number SP 1166041. One count no insurance misdemeanor. Ticket number SP 1140203 and my apologies. Drive unregistered or untitled vehicle. Ticket number SP 114028082. One count no insurance misdemeanor. Ticket number SP 114028081. One count drove while license suspended. Ticket number SP 1096951. One count improper plate. And ticket number or case number 204552181. This is one count drive unregistered or untitled vehicle. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel, please.
Good morning, Judge Daniel Arm on behalf of Mr. Welsh.
Mr. Welch, can you state your name for the record, please?
Jonathan Welsh.
How are we proceeding today?
Judge, there is an offer being made by the people. My client has been apprised of the offer, chooses to plead no contest to the two charges of open intox and improper plates. He has minimal or no recollection actually of the event.
The court is going to set aside the bench warrants, and sir, you want to take this offer that they're giving to you today?
Mr. Welsh?
Yeah.
Is this a good day for court for you, sir?
Huh?
Is this a good day for court for you?
No, it's just a lot of them tickets, like they was from a long time ago. I barely remember them, but what I remember, I really felt like a lot of them was not like legal, basically. Like I was getting messed with by the police, like in front of my house and stuff. Like a lot of them tickets was in front of my house parked. So I actually thought about, like, you know what I'm saying, taking it to trial or something. Like I don't know what to do.
I'm not gonna take a plea if you don't want to take the plea. You have the right to have a bench trial or a jury trial. Bench trials before me as the trier finder of fact. The jury trial is before 6 members of the community. That is your right. That is your priority. Right. That's your choice.
But my understanding is I have a lot of tickets. I don't know like which one, what officer, you know what I'm saying? Because I don't know the dates of them. I don't remember the dates of them or nothing. Like, I need more information on my tickets. That's why I wasn't sure about taking it to trial.
Okay. Ticket number 1. This is the open alcohol in a motor vehicle. This was on May 27th, 2020 in the area of Orchard and Bentler Streets in the city of Detroit.
Orchard. Yeah, that's the one out in front of the house.
All right. Then we have one on February 17th of 2021. That's in the area of Otter Drive and Whitcomb. That's the no insurance misdemeanor.
Weeks. Well, I can't remember that.
Those are the only 2 they were asking you to plead to today.
Yeah, I know the other one. I already know what happened with. Like I was in front of the house chilling. All black police car pulled up because me and my friends was out. They just
I'm gonna tell you this. If you want a bench trial, you can't tell me what happened. If you want a jury trial, be my guest and tell me what happened.
Okay, so all right. If I go to trial, it's only for them 2 tickets, or is it for all the
If you go to
tickets?
trial, it's gonna be for everything.
That's so it'd be different court dates, different officers, different everything or something.
So we'll start off with the most serious offense, which will probably be the open alcohol in a motor vehicle. Any tickets that will be attached to that one, so any other tickets that happen on that day or that were given out on that day, I make sure went with that ticket. It looks like you were given, let me see, 3 tickets on December the 10th, 2020. And then it was 2 tickets that day of 5/27/2020. It was that and drive unregistered or untitled vehicle. And then you have a ticket on November 19th, 2020, and one on, I already said February 17th, 2021. So you have 4 different dates of tickets.
Okay, I'm gonna just settle it here. I'll plead here.
Do you want to take the offer today, sir?
Yeah.
Okay. All right. Do you remember both of these incidents, sir?
No, I only remember one of them happening. I don't remember that.
Okay. Your attorney has asked that I do a no contest plea. That's a plea where I read from the tickets. Is that how you want to proceed today?
Yeah.
Okay, if so, Mr. Welch, please raise your right hand. Do you swear or affirm to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth?
Yeah.
Yes, you gotta say yes too, Mr. Welch, okay?
Oh,
This is
yes.
okay, put your hand down. Mr. Welch, did you have an opportunity to talk to an attorney? That would be Mr. Arm in private today about your case and about your rights?
Yes.
And he's informing me today that you want to do a no contest plea because you don't have a remembrance of these incidents. That means that I will read from the tickets to establish the factual basis. Do you understand that?
Yeah.
Did anyone threaten you, force you, or promise you anything in exchange for your no contest plea today?
No.
Are you pleading no contest of your own choice?
Yes.
Are you pleading no contest? By pleading no contest, you realize that you're going to give up your rights that you had to have a bench or a jury trial in this courthouse. You understand that, man, sir?
Yes.
And then do you also understand that even though you're not going to be making a factual basis, your no contest plea is going to be treated like a guilty plea. You understand that, sir?
Yeah. Yes.
Okay. Yes. Thank you, Mr. Wells. All right. On the reading from the tickets on these matters, that on the date of May the 27th of 2020 in the area of Bittler and Orchard Streets. Nope, that's not the right ticket. I apologize. That is, yes, in the area of Bittler and Orchard Streets in the city of Detroit, Mr. Welsh was in a Chrysler vehicle and there was open alcohol in the passenger side. Also on the date of February the 17th, 2021, in the area of Auto Drive and Whitcomb in the city of Detroit, Mr. Welsh was in a GMC vehicle and that vehicle did not have any car insurance on it at that present time. Satisfied, Attorney Arm?
Satisfied, Judge.
Is there a stipulation for probable cause for the remaining counts to be dismissed?
So stipulated.
So at this time, the court is going to enter a plea to the amended charge of open alcohol in a motor vehicle on the passenger side on case number 204552182 and on ticket number SP 11660471. That case is going to be amended to improper plate on behalf of him. So are you currently, the remainder cases on today's record will be dismissed. So ticket number 204552181, SP 109695531, and SP 1140208 counts 1, 2, and 3 will all be dismissed, okay, as a part of this plea today, sir. All right, are you currently employed or do you have a source of income, Mr. Welch?
Yes.
Okay, I'm gonna assess a fine. Okay, 240 on the open alcohol in a motor vehicle car. Okay, How long do you need? 30 or 60 days to be able to pay that?
60 days.
Okay. I'm gonna have that due no later than August 8th, 2022. On the improper plates, $200, but I'm going to give you until September 7th to have that paid. Does that give you enough time on that ticket?
Yeah, yes, that'd be good.
Okay, that way, because I am asking you to come up with $440, okay? The rest of the tickets will be dismissed, and there's no money on those unless you have reinstatement fees to pay, okay? I can't waive those. Those come from the Secretary of State's office, okay?
Okay,
All
that's
right.
good.
Okay.
Where do I
You
pay? How do I pay, or where do I pay at?
So you can either pay, and you don't have to pay it all at once, you can make the payments on it. You can either pay it physically down here at 36th District Court. You can pay it online. You can also, you know, those DivDat machines, they're inside of Myers, some are inside of CVS where you can pay other city bills on. You can pay it on those too, okay?
Okay, I got it. Okay,
All right,
okay, I appreciate it.
no problem. And I appreciate being able to explain it to you. I know you want to know what's going on, and I appreciate you being able to want to figure things out. So I can have patience for that, okay? Okay?
Yeah, it's okay. Yeah. All right, appreciate it.
All right, Mr. Wells, you have a good rest of your day, okay?
You too. You too.
I will, thank you. All right.
Yeah,
Bye-bye.
you too, Marilyn. Bye.
Bye. Are we ready to proceed? Are we doing a trial on that other matter?
No, Judge Candace White is going to take the offer.
Later, though. Okay.
It's the improper plates, Judge.
It's
Is that the one,
improper
is
plate.
that the
Okay.
one you have?
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay, it's improper plates, it's gonna say improper plate.
Yes.
Okay. It's gonna close out all of them. Miss White, can you hear me?
Yes, yes.
Now calling the matter of people. Corporal Hope is there coming out. Let me get Corporal Hope out. All right. Now calling the matters of the people versus Candace White. This is case number, recalling it. This is case number SP 1282408, count 1, allowing an unlicensed driver to drive. Count 2, no insurance misdemeanor. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel, please.
Annual alarm for Miss White.
And Ms. White, can you state your name for the record?
Candace White.
All right, how are we proceeding today?
Judge, she's prepared to accept the offer of of improper place and plead no contest to that.
All right, is that right, ma'am?
Yes.
If so, can you please raise your right hand?
You see me?
Yep, I see you. Do you swear or affirm to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth?
I do.
All right, you can put your hand down. What's the basis for no contest today, Attorney Arm?
Lack of recall, Judge.
Okay, all right. Ms. White, did you have an opportunity to talk to an attorney in private today about your case and about your rights?
Yes.
And it's my understanding that you want to make a no contest plea because you have a lack of memory on this particular incident. Is that true, ma'am?
Yes.
Did anyone threaten you, force you, promise you anything in exchange for this plea today?
No.
Are you pleading no contest of your own choice?
Yes,
And do you understand that by pleading no contest today, you're going to give up the right that you had to have a bench trial, which was scheduled for today, or a jury trial? You understand that, ma'am?
yes,
And do you also understand that by all reasons, no contest plea is entered in as a guilty plea, but you just won't make any factual basis because of lack of knowledge? You understand that, ma'am?
yes,
All right. Then reading from the ticket, that on the date of December the 8th of 2021, in the area of Livernois and West Auto Drive in the city of Detroit, that Miss Candace White owned a Chevy vehicle, and that vehicle at that time had no insurance on it. Car insurance. Satisfied, Attorney Arm?
That's fine, yes.
Is there a stipulation for probable cause for the dismissal of count 1 on that ticket?
Yes, there is.
So at this time, the court is going to enter a plea to the amended charge of improper plates, the no contest plea on the amended charge of improper plates on count 2, dismiss count 1 in this particular matter. Also have Corporal Hope on this morning. Sir, can you state your name for the record once more?
Corporal Kenneth Hope, badge 444, Detroit Police 12th Precinct Station.
Thank you so much. All right, ma'am. Here's the part where I do a fine, a cost fine. Are you currently employed or do you have a source of income?
I received Social Security.
Who was driving your vehicle that day, ma'am?
My son,
Okay. Did you know he didn't have a license?
yes, I know he didn't have one, but I didn't know he took my car.
Oh, you know he took your car off that day?
Yes,
Okay, do you have insurance on your vehicle now?
yes,
All right, I'm gonna waive your cost of fines, ma'am. Thank you for making admissions today for me on this particular matter. Don't let him drive your car again without it, okay? Because you'll just get another ticket. And guess whose courtroom you'll be in, Miss White?
yours.
I remember all kinds of faces and names and everything. and all kinds of
Okay.
situations. But, if you have current insurance on your vehicle today,
Yes, I do.
and it's registered and everything,
Yes.
all right. All right, man. That concludes this hearing for today. Thank you for your patience this morning.
So everything is over with?
Everything is over with.
Thank you.
You're
Thank you,
very
Judge.
welcome. You're welcome. All right, Corporal, Hope, be safe out there, please.
Thank you, Your Honor. You have a good day.
I will. Thank you. You too. All right, Miss White. Yeah, don't let your son drive your vehicle without like that again, okay? Because you'll just get in trouble and you don't want that.
Okay, thank you. You have a good day.
You too. All right, Mr. Arm, that wraps up our morning docket.